Everyone, I am 𝗣𝗿𝘁𝘆𝘂𝐀𝐵 of class 12th and today I am here to teach a topic called DNA. So, DNA. This is a topic which we study in class 8, 10 and 12. DNA is the fundamental and the basic unit of the biology. You can say that the full form of the DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made up of three main substances, which is sugar, which is pentose, and then it is phosphate, and then it is nitrogenous base, nitrobase. And in the nitrogenous base, there are four types of nitrogenous base: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. The first model of the DNA was given by the scientists called Watson and Crick. Then the Watson and Crick has told us that why DNA is the genetic material, and the term genetic material is given to the DNA because there are the reasons why some reasons why DNA is called genetic material. First, it is chemically stable, and second point is it can replicate each other. It can replicate each other, and these are the found in the every part of the body, because the body is made up of cell, and the DNA is found in nucleus and mitochondria of the cell. DNA is found in nucleus and the mitochondria of the cell. DNA is double-stranded structure, like it would be like this. This is the basic figure of the DNA, which goes to like this. This is 3 dash and this is 5 dash, and this is 5 dash to this is 3 dash. So the structure of DNA goes like 3 dash to 5 dash and 5 dash to 3 dash. The distance between the two base pair is 0.34 into 10 to the power minus 9 nanometers. This is the distance between the base pair of the DNA. So the term comes as DNA coding. So the DNA generally codes with adenine to thymine, and cytosine to guanine. So here it would be like that. This is a term with DNA coding. The DNA coding is generally termed as the parents give their child a code. So the DNA code is transferred to the parents, from parents to the children. So it will be like, if there is A, then there is T. If there is G, then there is C. So every stand is done like that. Let me take, this is A, this is T, this is C. So then it will be T, A and G. Adenine with thymine, guanine with cytosine, adenine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine. Then the term comes as what? The difference between so now the term comes as DNA versus RNA. So the first question arises that why DNA is the genetic material but RNA is not. So the first thing is that DNA is more chemically more stable as compared to RNA. Second, RNA cannot replicate each other. Third point is that you can say RNA is found in nucleus and cytoplasm. It is not found in the mitochondria, so it cannot be replicated, so it cannot be termed as the genetic material. Now there is another term which is called DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting is a term which is it is FINGER. DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting is a term in which is used as for the chemical, for forensic uses, for knowing the criminal or in the use of the crime scene. In the DNA fingerprinting, the scientist or the forensic scientist take the sample of DNA and mix it in the circular motion, which is centrifugal motion, and makes a structure, polymer-like structure. And with that structure, they study the DNA code, and then they can easily find out that who is the suspect or who the real children of the parents is. Thank you, and I hope that you have understand the term what is DNA.